Okay, so let's have this problem. So find the vertex, focus, directrix, and endpoints of the latus rectum of this parabola. So given the general equation of a parabola, so first we need to rewrite this equation in a standard form. And to rewrite this equation to a standard form, so variable with exponent 2 must be on the left side. Since on this given, y is the variable with exponent 2, so y must be on the left side. So this is y squared, then negative 8y, then equals. So the rest transposed to the other side. So this positive 8x becomes negative 8x, and this positive 64 becomes negative 64. Then this time, do completing the square. So for y, just take this number. So we have 8. Then divide this by 2. Take the square. And 8 divided by 2, this one is 4. Then 4 squared. So this is 16. Then we need to add this number to this equation. So this becomes y squared minus 8y then plus. So plus this number, so plus 16, then equals negative 8x minus 64, then also plus this number, so plus 16. Then we can apply now the factoring for this y. So to factor this equation, factors for y squared, that's y times y. Then since the middle term is negative, so this is minus. And factors for 16, so that's 4 times 4. So we have y minus 4, then quantity to the power 2, then equals. So on the right side, so we have negative 8x. Then simplify this negative 64 plus 16. So this is negative 48. Then this time for this equation on the right side, so we need to put this number outside, and this becomes y minus 4 to the power 2 then equals. So again, we need to put this negative 8 outside, so negative 8. So the remaining is x. Then for this negative 48, so we need to divide this number by this negative 8. So divide by negative 8. And negative divide by negative. So this is positive. Then this 48 divide by 8. So this is 6. So we have now x plus 6. And this is now the standard equation of this parabola. Then from this standard equation, we need to find the formula. Since our standard equation is y squared, so this is the formula. So we have y minus k then equals. Since this is negative 8 or negative, so therefore we're going to use the negative 4p. And if this one is positive, then use the positive 4p, then times x minus h. So this is now our formula and our guide to find the vertex, focus, directrix, and endpoints of the latus rectum. But first, we need to find the three values. So for h, k, and p, so for h, since h always go with x, and this is x, so therefore this one is h. Then for k, always go with y, and this is y, so therefore this is k. And for h, so take note, always take the opposite sign. So for h, since this one is positive 6, so therefore h is negative 6. And for k, since this one is negative 4, so k is positive 4. Then this time to solve for p, so solve for p. In solving for p, just take this number, so that's negative 8, then equals, since negative, so we're going to use the negative 4p. If this one is positive, then use the positive 4p because p is always positive. Then divide both sides by negative 4 to solve for p. So divide by negative 4. So p equals 8 divided by 4. That's positive 2. So p is equal to positive 2. So we're going to use these values and this formula to find the vertex, focus, directrix, and endpoints of the latus rectum. So this is now the values and these formulas. Since our standard equation is y squared and negative 4p, and this is the formula, so y squared and negative 4p. So therefore, these are now the formulas for the focus, equation of directrix, and the endpoints of the latus rectum. So first, find the vertex. Since vertex is h and k, then substitute now the value. So for h, that's negative 6, and for k, that's positive 4. So vertex is negative 6 and positive 4. Then for the focus, so formula for focus, that's h minus p and k. So we have now h is negative 6, then minus p, and p is positive 2, then comma k is 4. Then we need to simplify. So this negative 6 and negative 2. So since the same negative, so you add. This is negative 8 and 4. So this is now the focus. Then for this equation of directrix, so for the equation of directrix, this is now the formula. So that's x equals h plus p. Then x equals h is negative 6. Then plus p is positive 2. Then to simplify, so x equals this negative 6 and positive 2. So this is negative 4. So for directrix, x equals negative 4. Then the last one, the endpoints of the latus rectum. So for the latus rectum and the formula, so that's h minus p, then k plus and minus 2p. Then substitute now the values. So we have h is negative 6, then minus p is positive 2, then k is 4, then plus minus 2 times p is 2. Then this time we need to separate this plus and minus. So the first one, so we have negative 6 minus 2. This is negative 8. Then we have now 4. So this plus, this 2 times 2. that's 4. And the other one, so the same, negative 6 minus 2, that's negative 8. Then we have 4. Then this time the minus, so minus this 2 times 2, so minus 4. Then to simplify, so this is 8. Then 4 plus 4, that's 8. So this is now the endpoint of the latus rectum. And the other one, so this is negative 8. And 4 minus 4, this one is 0. So these are the endpoints of the latus rectum.